Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Heyday. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Heyday application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you get the Heyday app? You can get Heyday on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Heyday and follow through the on-screen prompts to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for Heyday. All you need to do is to follow through the step-by-step processes, which are self-explanatory, to create your account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Heyday. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to change your profile picture in Heyday. From this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Then you have this extended options, which include edit mode and settings. Click on settings and it takes you here where you have music, sounds, language, credits, change file name, advanced settings, privacy policy, terms of service, help and support, and of course you have the Supercell ID. Now, I'd like you to know that you cannot change your profile picture directly on Heyday. You have to change it on the Supercell ID. So if you're not connected to Supercell ID, here where you have the connected button, you're going to see login. Click on that and follow through the prompts to connect. So either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account, whichever one. Once you're connected already, so go ahead and click on connected to open up a Supercell ID. So now you're in Supercell. From here, go ahead and tap your profile picture in there. That's the profile picture. That's the avatar. So you can now edit the avatar. You can choose your avatar, change the avatar, which is a profile picture, to anything you want. You can use any of the avatars, or you can even change it to any of the background, anyone that suits you. So let's say I change it to this. Now I'm going to hit on the save button, and once I hit on the save button, you'll see that my profile picture has been changed through Supercell ID. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.